If you have been importing products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, you need to try this particular product sourcing app right now on Taobao Chinese shopping app and see how to source for product without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, or iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao sourcing product hack. You need to try this particular sourcing hack out. If you are using Taobao to source for product, this is very interesting new update in Taobao that allow you to source for different products from different manufacturer using similarity option on Taobao. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our Taobao shopping app. I'm going to click on here now to open up my Taobao shopping app. Now, after you open up your Taobao shopping app, it takes you right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to source for this type of light, and then when you click on the product right here, you have the product sales page right here. But you are not comfortable with what this supplier display right here, or you are looking for more products of this same category at a very cheap price than this. How do you do that? Now, what you want to do on the sales page of a particular store, tap on the picture right here, and this is going to open up like this. The next thing you need to do is to click and hold down, and this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then in a few seconds, it's going to scan and give you variety options of different manufacturer of this same product in different prices. Just like what you see right here, this one here sold it at 10.50 yen, while this first one here sold it at 20.4. Now, if I were you, I would simply check on this particular store out and see what they offer as far as the price is concerned. Take a look at another one right here. This is 19.5, and this is already in the flash sales, just like what you see right here. Then you can simply scroll down and check on more store right here. So the more you scroll down, the more different store is going to load up as far as this particular ad is concerned. So right here. So the next thing you can do here, you can also come to the top right there and then filter by price. So for you to do that, simply click on here, and then you see different prices, just like what you see right here. So these are the ones that is below 20 yuan. You can even see another one right here, which is 8 yuan. This is 12 yuan. So the more you scroll down, the more you see the similarity. You can click on here again. You can click on here again to give you some of the prices that are much more higher than the previous price, just like what you see right here. However, some of these informations right here depends on the product description and what they are getting and what you are getting in this particular category right here. You can also swipe this way and check on more information about this particular. Let's go back to some of the cheapest price. So I'm going to click on here. Then it will take us back to cheapest price of this same particular product. So basically, this is the product sourcing app I want to share with you as far as Taobao Chinese shopping app is concerned. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.